Hello everyone, welcome back to Surya Smarter Everyday. In today's video, we are going to discuss the most important and interesting topic, how to write diary entry. It is very useful for all kinds of students, especially for 10th class students. Are you ready? Let's start. What is diary entry? It is one's personal feelings, thoughts, and opinion or self-expression. It is written records of the important happening of the day. Diaries are great ways to keep track of our past and think about our future. So that the end of the diary entry, writer mentions what he or she is looking forward to the next day and wondering what will happen. It's usually written at night before we go to bed. How to write diary? It should be written in the first person. That means I. And also written the tense simple past, present perfect, simple future. It is written in the informal language. You write as you speak. It should be creative, imaginative, and expressionistic. Mention the date and the time at which the entry is made. The closing should be either states the future action or the emotion of the writer. It should be placed in a box. Draw some designs to the box if possible. Next, we can discuss about the format of the diary entry. There are 6 parts of a diary entry: date, day, time, salutation, dear diary, and then body of the diary entry. Body of the diary entry divided into 3 parts that you should write paragraph wise. Opening sentence, content of the given question, and conclusion. And the last part, name or signature. It is subscription. Look at the date. You should write in this format. You don't write like 2 bar 12 bar 20. Time should be PM because it is usually written at night before go to bed. Body of the diary entry is the most important part of entry. That is divided into 3 parts. Opening sentence. Some general opening sentences given here. Look at. Today is the most memorable and wonderful day for me. It touched my heart. I can never forget this day in my life. Another phrase, how sorrowful today is. Today is the most disappointing day for me in my life. Oh my God, I can't believe what happened today. I never believed that it would happen in my life. I am so sorry today for what I have done. Today is the most disappointing day for me in my life. Today is really an unforgettable day for me in my life. And this is a content of given question. That means here you should focus on the main content given in the question. And another paragraph, that means the last paragraph, it is a conclusion or closing sentences. Some common closing sentences also given here. Hope tomorrow will be the best one. I may be blessed by the God. Thus I described my feeling in detail regarding this day. Now the time is at 10:30 p.m. Good night. I think I will just go to sleep. I hope tomorrow will be better. Good night. I wish God may give me good strength and spirit to face hurdles in my life. May I have smooth life in future by God's grace. Good night. Now I am going to sleep. I am really tired. Good night. The next, the format of the diary entry. There are 6 parts of diary entry. Date, day, time. Next, salutation, dear diary. Then body of the diary entry and name and signature. Look at this example. As per the inspiring lesson, attitude is altitude, Nick learns how to do 360-degree spin on his board. The cover of a surfer magazine features Nick's image for his feet. Imagine yourself as Nick and write his feelings of pride and joy in the form of a diary. So here you imagine you are Nick and write your feelings. How can write entry based on this question? The first process or first step, write the title. What is the title? Diary entry. Then underline. It should be out of the box. And the next step, write date, day and time. In this format, you never write any another format. Then salutation. What is salutation? Dear diary. Here you notice the spelling of diary. D-I-A-R-Y, not D-A-I-R-Y. The most of the students make mistake here. So you keep it in your mind. And next, opening sentence. Today is the most memorable and wonderful day for me. It touched my heart. I can never forget this day in my life. Next paragraph, the content of given question. Today, I am very much happy because a surfer magazine has featured my image on the cover page for my feet. Thanks to Bethany Hamilton, my surfing master, for teaching me how to surf. I performed a feat of doing the 360-degree spins on my board just 2 days ago. I never thought I would become such a popular person. I am proud of myself. I have set an example to others. This is absolutely huge for me. And the last paragraph, it is a conclusion or closing sentence. Already we have learned many conclusion or closing sentences. I wish God may give me good strength and spirit to face hurdles in my life. May I have a smooth life in future by God's grace. good night. Then subscription. What is subscription here? You imagine you are Nick, so you write subscription as Nick. In the given question, there is no any name. You should not write your name or your signature. You can put into mark. I think you are able to write diary entry. Today itself, before going to bed, you start to write diary entry about important happenings of the day. It is one of the good habit. It helps to improve your writing skills and you get command on English. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.